welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super easy mermaid waves tutorial using the Revlon hair waver right here. And before we jump into the video, if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button. So my trick to kind of having a really cute seamless look is to alternate the barrel. So I'll do it one side one time this way and then I'll flip it for the other strand. Trick is going to be to not clamp it all the way at the top, but start, I guess, like 2 inches down from your head. That way it kind of blends into the wave and it's not so harsh. So I'm just gonna press it down. I usually wait like maybe 3-4 seconds. I don't want it to be super long because you don't want your hair to burn. So, and we're just gonna kind of clamp it down. And that's literally it, guys. You see the waves are already forming. Here. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch it, right? I'm gonna grab this piece and I'm gonna do it the opposite way. So I'm gonna clamp it here. It's a little tricky to do it the other way. It's gonna feel really awkward and weird, so just be careful because this is really hot when you're doing it. Slide it down and clamp it. Slide it down and clamp it. I don't know, I feel like this look is so cute and it's just a different aesthetic than curling it with like the traditional curling iron. Low. Super easy, super easy. And there you go. You have this super cute beach wave. Love. I feel like the first time I did the crimping to my hair, I used the waver. It just looks so bad because I literally did it like from my scalp. I looked like a not cute Shakira. No, I can't rock that look. And starting from the lower point of your hair just is the world of difference. I tend to try to leave it on a little bit more towards the front because I don't want it to lose the curl. So I try to do that one a little bit more. I love it. Okay. And I just gonna grab, I'm literally just gonna do this the same thing. I'm just gonna add some more heat protectant spray over here. I'm actually just gonna do it on this side too before I forget. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start from the back again. It's okay if you curl over the hair that you already curled because I think it's going to help it blend more, so don't worry about that if you have to curl over it. Okay, again, make sure you're not all the way up. You're kind of starting a couple inches down. So I'm actually going to link this hair waver on my Amazon store so you guys know exactly the one that I bought. I'm going to link it on my storefront so it's super easy. This is just cute, different aesthetic to like switch up your hair routine. I don't do a lot of updos, to be honest. I do a lot of just letting my hair down. I do sometimes a ponytail with ponytail extension, but I usually wear my hair down a lot. So using the hair waver is a good little switch. you know, just to switch it up, try something new. I just think it's such a different vibe. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's very summery, very cute. So I definitely would try it. And honestly, I wouldn't be worried if you have like curly hair. If you have super curly hair, I probably wouldn't recommend doing this. But if you have just puffy hair, you can always just blow dry it before and then you'll be fine. Look at those waves. I'm obsessed. I think it's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I think this is so cute. And we're gonna do the other side real quick. I just like to touch it up with a little bit of hairspray, especially if we're gonna be going out. So I'm just gonna use the Aussie hairspray, the Mega hairspray hold. It's literally my go-to favorite hairspray and it smells really so good. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit here. And literally this just eliminates your flyaways. I'm gonna take the Nexus Clean and Pure Invisible Hair Oil. It's one of my favorites. It's super clean, non-greasy. And I'm just gonna take a little bit into the ends of my hair. All right guys, and we're done. Super easy tutorial for mermaid waves that anybody can do.